Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find and use templates in Inshot so you can create amazing videos faster. Let's get straight into it. Step 1. Open Inshot. Launch the Inshot app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Start a new project. You'll see the video and photo options on the home screen. Select the one you want to work with, for example, video. Tap New to start your project. Step 3. Access templates, materials. Once inside your project, look at the top right corner of the screen. Tap Material. Here you'll find a bunch of ready-made options: intro and outro, transitions, backgrounds, green screen, social media elements, and more. Step 4. Choose and apply a template. Scroll through and pick the template you like. Tap on it to apply it to your project. Customize it further with your clips, text, or music. Quick tip: even if Inshot doesn't have a separate template button yet, this material section is where all the ready-made elements live. It's perfect for speeding up your video editing workflow. And that's it! You now know how to find and use templates in Inshot to make your videos look professional in no time. Thanks for watching! If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick video editing tips.